Hi, I'm Sandeep, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about improvements we've done in Wiki in editing and managing Wiki pages. The four features that I'll be talking about today are side-by-side edit, filter highlighting, moving pages using keyboard, and the ability to copy rich content as HTML. So let's try to understand the problem we are trying to solve with the side-by-side edit and preview. So let's see how users currently edit wiki pages. So I want to add a section header here which has some content around it, and every time I do that I go to preview and see how my content is rendering. Let's say if I apply an image, I want to add an image here. I add it, and again I have to go to preview to see whether the image rendered fine. Data shows that for every edit, users click on preview at least twice, which just slows down the whole edit experience. Well, not anymore with the new side-by-side edit and preview experience. When I click on edit, I am able to add content in line, and you can see that while I'm adding content, I can actually see the preview on the right hand pane. Uh, Add some content. I will continue to see the preview on the right hand side. So this way we are just saving on users time while they're editing in switching back and forth between edit and preview. Uh, Once you feel that your page is looking good enough, you can actually go to preview only mode to see actually how this page would look like on the wiki. And if you feel that this is exactly what you want, you just save and proceed. So while I'm talking about making the edit experience in Wiki richer, another problem that we hear very often from users is Markdown provides with very nascent capabilities of creating tables. And some of our customers and users have actually created complex tables in OneNote, in SharePoint, Confluence, and as they are moving their content, they would like to retain these tables in VSTS Wiki as well. So here is an example of complex table. Creating a similar table in Markdown would take significant amount of effort. So what we have come up with is a feature to allow you to paste as HTML. So I've just copied this complex table from OneNote, and you see that there's this new button which says paste as HTML. I click on it and I simply paste my content, and there you go. So you see the entire content has been pasted as an HTML, and you get an exact replica of the page that you just saw in OneNote. Another feature that I want to talk about today is filter highlighting. So let's see the current experience when I start filtering content. So I've searched for, let's say, LE, and you see a ton of pages that show up on the filtered pages list, and have really no idea which page is showing up. Why? Because when I see LE, there is no LE in vs.in social documents. So why is this showing? So now if you filter content in Wiki, you will see that as you type, the text that is filtered gets highlighted. So now you exactly know that test and marketplace and ecosystem are showing up because it has the same content, while upcoming investments in VSTS just shows up because it's the parent page of the page that you've just filtered. The last feature I want to talk about is about reordering and reparenting pages within Wiki Keyboard Accessible. So now if I press a Control Up arrow, I am able to reorder the page and move it up, and a Control Down arrow will actually move it down. If I want to reparent pages, all I need to do is click on the context menu and click on Move Page. Once I do that, it will show me the entire tree hierarchy of wiki pages in this dialog, and I should be able to select a particular page and move pages accordingly. You would see that there are a few pages which are struck through, which basically means since I selected Sprint 123 Summary Sprint 124 Plan page, I can't make this page a child of the same page, or I can't even make it a child of its parent because it already is. So we smartly exclude pages that cannot be selected while reparenting. So let's say I want to move this page under showcasing capability of paste as rich text page, and I click on move. As soon as I do that, you see that the page just got moved. So just to summarize, today we talked about side-by-side editing, filter highlighting, moving pages using keyboard, and the ability to copy content as HTML in wiki pages. Thank you so much for listening and stay tuned for many more updates coming up soon.